Shall we do this? Okay.
Holding it already. Making a paper airplane maybe.
Okay.
Pass here so it hangs off.
Are you leading or is somebody else?
I just decided that
Oh, you just took over. You're the pirate in charge?
I made the executive decision.
Okay. Let's see how this works out. Lincoln, is your group following along or are you just doing your own thing? I'm looking at the pile of different. Let me see your papers.
We're working on it.
What the heck are we?
We're working on it.
Lincoln, come on, buddy. I thought you were a leader here. Ones, show us your planes. Everybody else in the group, take a look at their planes. Are their planes all the same? One's a different color. All the same shape, pretty much. A little bit different. Some are thin, some are wide. Twos, show us your plane. Are they all the same? Are they all the same? One of these things is not like the others. All right, threes, show us your plane. Tony. Okay. What the? All right, what does that teach us about the lessons we're giving? Did you all receive the same block of instruction in group one? Yeah? Did you guys all receive the same block of instruction? And then did you guys all receive the same block of instruction? Is there variability in your group outcome? Charlie's group to Lincoln group, is there a difference? To your group, is there a difference? But did we all build a plane? For my group leaders, you can now open your mouths again. What were the instructions that you were given? Make a paper airplane. Did your group achieve its task? Did you all use different methods? How did you, that don't know how to make an airplane, how did you achieve your end state? How did you get your group to make an airplane? So you got them going, and then they sort of self-discovered what they were doing. Okay? Over on this side, what did Charlie do to help get you guys to build the same plane? He what?
Led by example.
He led by example. So how did he do it?
Visually showed us step by step.
One step and let you all catch up? Okay? And they are all pretty similar, right? How did you do it, Mr. Let's find out how they fly. First leader. All right, leaders up. All three of you at the same time from this spot right here. On the count of three, you're going to let them fly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, did we have ones in the toilet? All right, next person from that group, climb up into the front, form a line. No throwing at each other, safety first. Ready, set, throw. Whoa! All right, next group, 1, 2, 3. I might be noticing a trend here, but I'm not going to point it out until later. All right.